For decades, conventional dietary wisdom has treated traditional sugar as the ultimate metabolic enemy. We've been told to avoid it at all costs. That deep-seated fear sent millions of consumers migrating toward the health food aisle, searching for a zero-calorie substitute. Stevia swept through health stores as the perfect solution. Food manufacturers positioned it as metabolically superior to sugar, relying on its natural origin story as a simple plant extract. The appeal rested on a very specific assumption. Because stevia has no calories, it must slide through the digestive system without interacting with the body's chemistry. But that reputation as a harmless alternative is built entirely on the unproven assumption that stevia is chemically inert. The studies that granted stevia its regulatory safety approval came with a funding problem. They were paid for by the companies selling the products. These human trials only looked for stevia metabolites in blood samples. Once the liver clears the compound rapidly, detection levels in the blood were almost always below the limit of quantification. When researchers test the compound on isolated human cells, the result changes. The metabolite disrupts hormone function at concentrations far higher than what blood tests typically measure. Stevia molecules bypass detection in the bloodstream by moving directly into deep cellular structures. The chemical interference begins in the gut. Stevia breaks stevia down into an active compound called steviol. Compare a human steroid hormone and steviol. They share the exact same multi-ringed carbon backbone and align perfectly. Steviol then wedges itself directly into hormone binding sites, blocking progesterone receptors. The outgoing cellular signal abruptly cuts off. Laboratory assays reveal the impact of this blockade. Once steviol binds to the receptor, the cell's transcriptional activity drops by exactly 31. The specific chemical shape of steviol allows it to interfere directly with the signals that regulate the female reproductive system. Your tissues react immediately to the cellular blockade. When they detect blocked hormone receptors and zero incoming fuel, it triggers a sudden physiological panic response. This response forces a systemic spike in cortisol, as the body tries to compensate for the blocked receptors by breaking down its own tissues for energy. Even trials show how quickly this occurs. Healthy volunteers consuming a low dose of stevia for 1 week showed elevated stress hormones and inhibited cortisol to cortisol conversion. This chemical stress creates measurable physical strain. Over that same week, average systolic blood pressure rose significantly. Ultimately, stevia acts as a potent endocrine modulator, forcing the human body into a state of continuous stress. The adrenaline surges and metabolic damage often attributed to sugar are actually triggered by energy deficits and zero-calorie sweeteners. To flush steviol out of your tissues, your liver must perform a process called glucuronidation. This chart maps the liver's clearance pathway. To package steviol for excretion, the liver requires real bioavailable carbohydrates. The glucose literally combines with the steviol to create a harmless unit that safely exits through urine. Metabolic healing requires moving away from chemical voids and returning to the exact biological fuel we were told to fear. The first step is the complete elimination of all stevia-containing products. You must inspect ingredient labels for hidden aliases like steviol glycosides and Rib-A. Restore your liver's glycogen reserves by using fresh orange juice, ripe fruit, and raw honey. This supplies simple glucose that absorbs rapidly in the upper digestive tract, providing immediate fuel. Support this fuel intake with high-quality sea salt to regulate blood pressure and use gelatin to provide the glycine needed for overall liver function. This dashboard tracks your progress. Look for an upward trending waking temperature to indicate a recovering metabolism alongside a steady resting pulse. Health isn't achieved by tricking your endocrine system with zeros. It requires providing yourselves with the natural energy they need to thrive.